Open Topaz Video AI and import your clip. Go to the resolution control and set it to 2x upscale. Next, keep the FPS set to original. Now set the video type to progressive. After that, switch parameters from auto to manual. Now copy my settings carefully. Set revert compression to 60. Improve detail to 60. Sharpen 35. Reduce noise 20. Dehalo 10. Anti-alias 50. And finally, recover original details, set this to 20. Now scroll down to the export settings, set bitrate to constant and set the target bitrate to 180. Once everything is done, click export and let Topaz AI process the video. Now import the Topaz upscale clip into After Effects and apply a high quality CC. I am using one of my premium CCs and I am giving it for free. Download link will be provided in the description. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.